Smart kitchen appliances you need for your home. Amazing kitchen gadgets, smart kitchen tech. 1. SPINN. Looking like something out of Star Trek and equally futuristic when it comes to features, the SPINN is the perfect coffee maker for those whose summer beverage of choice is a cold brew. This cylindrical coffee maker uses centrifuge technology and G-forces to extract full flavor and produce different styles of beverages, but that extreme engineering is just the start of its smarts. Using the accompanying SPINN app, owners can simply take a picture of their coffee bag and the SPINN will automatically adjust its brewing process to prepare the drink as the roaster intended. Better still, users can control the SPINN entirely from the app or by voice command via Alexa, which means owners can order their froth cold brews or rich iced coffees from the comfort of their bed. 2. Revolution Cooking R180. This toaster features a first-of-its-kind touchscreen with smart settings that allow you to riffle through and pick exactly what you're toasting, from English muffins and Pop-Tarts to bagels and waffles. It is 35% faster than leading premium toasters and apparently holds in 30% more moisture, so your bread comes out toasted but not dry. It heats up and cools down incredibly quickly, making it both more efficient and safer in the kitchen. The screen counts down, and there's a happy finishing chime to alert you when your toast is done. 3. Suvie. Easily cook delicious meals at home with the Suvie Gourmet Kitchen Robot. This fully automated device takes the hard work out of preparing a tasty home-cooked meal. Featuring a countertop design, Suvie is a multi-zone cooker and refrigerator that turns ingredients into restaurant-quality meals. Using Wi-Fi, Suvie takes 4 individual food components and makes a meal out of them. Likewise, the components include vegetables, proteins, starches, and sauces. In addition, Suvie keeps everything refrigerated until it is time for it to start cooking automatically. Utilizing patent-pending technology, the Gourmet Kitchen Robot sous vides, steams, boils, and warms ingredients. To top it off, you can set schedules on the appliance or through the app so the food is ready exactly when you want it. Suvie gets rid of the stress of preparing healthy meals at home. 4. Ori Kit. If you are restricted for space in your kitchen, or just like something very unique in the way of kitchen utensils, you may be interested in the Ori Kit, which consists of a stylish origami. The inspired kitchen set is to replace those bulky utensils that take up so much space on your kitchen worktop. The 6-piece set, which includes 3 spoons, 1 turner, 1 funnel, and 1 colander. Each piece can be used in different ways, from serving food to removing pulp out of your favorite drinks. 5. Nicer Dicer Quick. It is a portable handheld food prep system that will slice, dice, chop, and wedge your vegetables and fruit in a single second. With 3 interchangeable super sharp blade inserts made of the finest G-Nox steel, you can throw away knives and chopping boards that need to be cleaned after every use. Food is chopped right into the bowl, pot, pan, or dish. Then, Nicer Dicer Quick can be rinsed under a tap and it's ready to go again. Swapping blades is so quick and easy that you can go from slicing orange segments and back to dicing onions in seconds. 6. BarSys 2.0. This is a smart automated cocktail making machine, also known as a robotic bartender. It creates perfect drinks at home with nothing more than the click of a button. Simply load your machine with your 5 favorite spirits and 3 mixers. Select your cocktails from the BarSys app and watch as your beverage is poured with precision and speed. The BarSys moves your glass left to right, dispensing the exact amounts, and can make hundreds of cocktails. You can customize drinks to meet your own personal preferences or create your own signature drinks from scratch. The lighting feature lets you know the progress of your drink completion along the way. 7. IAGREEA. This is a countertop dishwasher that has a large LED operating panel for easy operation and reading. With the top-opening design, you can easily place tableware without bending over. The washing process can be completed with only 1 button to start, without any worries. Fruit basket is also included, so fruit and vegetables can be cleaned, ready to serve directly from the dishwasher.